Today, I want to discuss a topic that resonates deeply with me and I believe with all us here is called youth empowerment. So it's more than catchphrase. It is a movement, a call to action, and essential component of societal advancement. It provides young people with skills, knowledge, experiences they will require to build their own destiny and make significant contribution to society. In this address, I will highlight the importance of youth empowerment, its influence on individuals and community, and how we as younger generation can rise to the challenge. So the youth is a backbone of any nation. We are all dreamers and innovators and the future leaders. Empowering the youth is very important because it taps into boundless energy, creativity, and potential that we possess. When young people are empowered, they can bring fresh perspective, challenge and status quo and drive innovation. Moreover, empowered youths are likely engaged in civic activities, contribute to economic growth, and advocate for social justice. They become active participants in democratic process, ensuring their voices are heard and their concerns addressed. So, the impact of youth empowerment is not only that the individual level, but also extend to families, community, and a nation. So empowered youths can break the cycle of poverty through education and employment, which further elevates the standard of living of their families. So youth empowerment also leads to social cohesion and reduce inequalities when youths from different backgrounds are given equally opportunities. It leads to an inclusive society where everyone can thrive. And now the question is how we achieve youth empowerment. So there are several key components of it. So first is the education. So equality education is the foundation of empowerment. It equips young people with knowledge and skills needed to succeed. So as future educator, we have to a vital role in ensuring that education is accessible for all youths or new generation. So and also it inclusive and relevant to needs of the 21st century. Second is mentorship and guidance. So mentorship program can provide invaluable support to young people. Having a mentor can inspire confidence, provide career guidance, and open doors to all opportunity. The third is access to opportunities. Youth needs access to opportunities in various fields, be it entrepreneurship, arts, science, or politics. Governments, NGOs, and private sectors should work together to create platforms where young people showcase their talents and ideas. And the fourth one is leadership development. Developing youth for position of leadership would make them responsible and responsive for their action. Leadership development can shape young leaders who will make informed decisions with integrity. And lastly is the fifth one, promotion of civics engagement, engaging young people in a community service, activism, and policy making. Empowerment then enables them to can be active citizens who contribute the way welfare of society. This means Youth empowerment is not about providing young people with all boys, but providing them with setting to a lot of to boys that contribute meaningfully towards change. So this means acknowledging the fact that we are not the future but indeed the present in power who have the responsibility to changing and transforming the world. So let's march forward, embracing empowerment, opportunity, and supporting each other as we collectively build a brighter, more inclusive future. Together, we can be catalysts that our world needs and desperately to change. Thank you.